Hello guys, last time we have defined this message engine RPM in the engine control node. This time I would add another signal, typically in the engine control, for example the initial status. The initial status denotes whether the motor is turned on or turned off, so if it is spinning or not. So in order to do this, I click here message, new, and I call it engine status with an ID, for example, of 20. I give an ID of 20 for the fact that the initial status, the engine status, is more important than the engine RPM, because if in the network this node want to send simultaneously this message and this message would be more important. Okay. So I go to define here the signal, which I call initial status. The length I can make it of just 1 bit, unit boolean, minimum 0, maximum 1. So either the engine can be shut off or can be on. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to add this signal to this message. So double click here, signals, add initial status. Okay, so here we are. We have defined also the second message of our engine status. Now I show you this because I want to send to the HMI, so the cluster, the engine status and the engine RPM in order to display it. But this we will make the next lesson. Thank you.